In this short tutorial video, let's learn how to change nickname on Messenger. Nicknames is a feature on Messenger where you can add in a different name to your friends on Messenger. So if you also want to learn how you can do this, make sure you stick to this video till the end. First of all, let's head over to Messenger and then open up the chat of the person that you want to change the nickname of. Once you're on the chat section, just tap on the eye icon on the top right. Now from this menu under customization, you'll see an option of nicknames. So just tap on the nicknames option. And now you can change the nickname of the other person by tapping on set nickname. And you can remove the existing nickname and add in any new nickname that you want. You can also add in emojis as your nickname. Tap on set and the emoji will be immediately added. And the notification will also be added to as you set the nickname, and you can also see the nickname right here. And the nickname will also be added on the chat section of the person on the top. So that's how easily you can change nickname on Messenger. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.